I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble unlocking your payouts on Shopify after verification, follow these steps to get it sorted out. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Start by logging into your Shopify account using your credentials. Make sure you have the correct email and password to avoid any login issues. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, go to the bottom left corner of your dashboard and click on Settings. This is where you can manage your store's configurations. Step 3. Access Payments. In the Settings menu, find and select the Payments option. Here, you can view your payment providers and their statuses. Step 4. Check verification status. Look for any notifications regarding your verification status. If your account is still under review, you may need to provide additional documentation. Note, sometimes the verification email can end up in your spam folder, so check there if you haven't received it. Step 5. Submit required documents. If prompted, upload any necessary documents to complete your verification. This could include identification or business registration documents. Make sure they are clear and legible. Once you've completed these steps, keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your payout status. If everything is in order, you should be good to go. Good luck, and I hope your payouts are unlocked soon.